Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ross and I drive my 2024 Subaru Forester here. So today in this quick video, I want to tell you about the sport mode on the Subaru Forester Sport. Yeah, it has a sport mode and let me show you how it works and what you need to do to enter the mode and what it does to the car. In order to enter the sport mode, you have to press this button right here. And in order to exit the sport mode, you have to press this button. It's basically letter I here, it stands for intelligent drive, and S stands for not sport per se, but Subaru calls it SI drive. So let me show you exactly what happens when you enter the sport mode on the Subaru Forester. Basically, let me tell you what you're gonna see. I'll be doing about 1500 RPM, just cruising about 20-25 miles an hour. The moment I press the button S here, it's gonna say SI drive. It's basically going to get louder in here. You're going to see the engine RPM shoot up, and the throttle response is going to be a little bit more sensitive. Basically, if you're circling the city blocks looking for parking, you should not be in this mode. But if you're somewhere in the highway and you're looking for a quick pass and you need an extra little bit of power, you just press this here, and you're going to feel like the engine is a lot more ready to go. So let me show you how it works. Okay, so I am doing 20 miles an hour. I'm gonna press S mode. Look at the RPM. You see? I didn't press the gas. It just did it by itself. Also, I don't know if you hear this, if the mic is able to pick it up, but you could hear the transmission, the CVT. You basically, if in the regular mode, you don't hear it at all. The moment you switch to SI drive, you hear the transmission much louder. It's more almost like a drawn-on, whiny sound. It's not really confident, inspiring to drive faster, no, but you just hear it and yeah. And let me do one more test. So as you could see, we're gonna go to the regular drive again, and it's 1000 RPM. We're gonna go switch to SI drive, and it goes to 2000 RPM. And as you can see from the curve here, the throttle response is a lot more sharper, especially at the beginning here. Okay guys, so we're doing 29 now, and let me test the sport mode. Right now I'm in intelligent mode, so I'm gonna press the button S here. As you see, as I drive, and RPMs have shut up. So let me do the same thing, but let me stay quiet now so you could hear the engine. 1, 2, 3. And transmission, basically you're gonna hear that like transmission whine. It doesn't sound too good, but basically the car like feels more ready to pounce almost, but at the same time it just doesn't sound like, it sounds like it had a cold or something. I don't know, it's hard to explain. But now let's start in the sport mode. Yeah, it makes the car louder for no reason. So no, that's why I don't enjoy it. Let me go back to the regular mode, the regular S mode, sorry, the regular intelligent mode, and the car is suddenly way quieter and just sounds better. Thanks for watching guys, please like and subscribe for more useful videos like this.